Today I'm going to make chicken tinola. It's a Filipino dish. Now I'm starting to cook. The ingredients are olive oil, garlic, onion, ginger, chicken. This is the sayote, I think. It's leaves. You have to put egg also. And this is, I don't know, vegetables. Saute the garlic, onion, and ginger. My arm is tired. We put the chicken, saute it, and then cover it with this. So then we cover it. Leave it covered for 3 minutes.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked.
Then you add the sayote and a cup of salt, like the whole cup. I want to. Don't forget the pepper. Oh my god, I have hiccups. Add a small amount of pepper. Add water. There's already water. Add water. Add eggs. Add some green pepper. It's not vegetable, it's green pepper. And add the leaves. I don't know what they are, but they're leaves. Then let it simmer. I have hiccups on. Now I'm going to taste my tinola.